Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Fyers. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fyers application on your device, and once you open it up, proceed forward with logging into your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can click on the account icon at the bottom right corner. If you wish to enable two-factor authentication, then just tap on the settings button at the top, and now you will see the biometric authentication option. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to enable biometric authentication. Click on the yes button, and now you will be asked to enter your fingerprint. After verifying with your fingerprint, the two-factor authentication will be turned on within your Fyers account. If you wish to turn this off in the future, you can come back to this menu and simply tap on the toggle to turn it off, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn on two-factor authentication on Fyers. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.